I built my house beside the road, so I could hear you singing, and it was sweet